2 more B6 Traveler's Notebooks that I will be listing in my shop, and by the time you see this video they'll actually already be listed. I'll actually start with this bottom one. This one I've done in my regular style, so B6 is 7 by 5 inserts. The outside cover is actually a little bit bigger. I've handmade this charm, that the focal charm is this little bird cage, and this cute little puffy pom-pom I think is adorable. It's on a lobster claw, so you can take this on or off if you'd like. And on the inside, it has got an inside pocket with some journaling cards, a shaker dashboard that surrounds the first of 3 inserts, the first clip, which is magnetic, and all of the inserts are lined. The back of the dashboard has a pocket as well as an adhesive pocket, so you can actually stick this somewhere else, and some journaling cards. The dashboard has some cute post-it notes that surround the second insert, and here is the second clip, and this is lined as well. And this is the back of the dashboard, again with some more post-it notes. A laminated folder that has some planner stickers on one side, and then some large journaling cards and a stencil on this side. And then the final insert, which is also lined, has the page marker with the washi sample and some more journaling cards, and the third clip that I've put together. There's also a pen loop and a coordinating pen, and it finishes out with a pocket with some journaling cards. And again, this will be listed in my shop, and I'll put the link below. This one is slightly different, and actually the only one that I have in this style, and it's due to the paper. So the initial part of it is pretty standard for me. So it's a B6 size, handmade charm on a lobster clasp. The focal charm is a bee, and again, a cute little furry pom-pom. But what makes this different is the paper collection that I am using is food themed. So all of the journaling cards are food based. So inside pocket, there is a shaker dashboard surrounding a insert, and here is the first paper clip. And unlike the others, there are no journaling cards. I've put some additional recipe cards because you could use this as just a regular traveler's notebook, although you could make this into a traveling recipe book. And there are several recipe cards here. The coordinating dashboard does have some post-it notes that surround the second insert with a paper clip, and this is lined as well. And because of the size of the recipe cards, you could actually just stick that on a page and be done with it. Here is the back of the dashboard with some more post-it notes. Again, a folder that has some stickers, and I actually did have some Happy Planner food-based stickers, so I had to cut it down in order for it to fit in here, so that's why it looks like this. But there are more stickers behind, as well as a stencil and some more recipe cards that came with the paper pack, a coordinating paper clip that I put together, and then the final lined insert that has more food-based journaling cards, washi, sample, pen loop, and pen, and then the final pocket. So again, this is the only one like this that is a recipe food-based one, although it is perfectly usable as a traveler's notebook, but you can also repurpose this as a holiday recipe book, just a recipe book in general, a food journal, whatever you'd like. But these are the 2 traveler's notebooks that I'll be listing in my Etsy shop soon.